Somebody stole. Do we have some audio that poor woman?
What?
That poor, roll the audio there. Do we have that?
Poor woman. What the hell is he talking about?
I got these bags for things. Okay. You know chicken. Got their meatballs with steak. Where's the name? This macaroni's pretty good though. I'm sorry, I'm gonna need a moment after this.
Oh, of course it wasn't recording.
What world are we living in?
I was hoping he was going to say something about the weather, but no. That was just weird.
Oh my god, you got that on video.
Yeah, we got to hear about macaroni, and earlier today we got to hear about, what, cement and a mixer or something? Alright then. Did you do that?
Mm. Mm.
You cow. Another cow.
Actually, I think that was the same one. Oh, really? It's not ingredient.
The rain picks back up.
I believe these lights aren't on yet. It's kind of weird. Did you crack your shell off?
No, I guess it did. They must do that after a while.
But yeah, my mom's car does that.
Huh. Nice sunset coming from the west.
Now there's some lightning coming from where we were.
You kidding me?
No. Of course, we wouldn't have wanted to stay down there that time of night. We're lucky to get back to where we are. Oh, lightning down that way.
That doesn't make sense.
We just came from that way.
Are you kidding me? It's like a show. There are a lot of bolts in those clouds. How on earth is that possible?
Could be that one with all the frequent lightning in it.
Could be.
It's fine now. We targeted the right one.
Yeah, that's definitely frequent.
Well,
That was fun.
take this video up to 5 minutes and I'll just sit down and watch the rest of it because there's really no point in recording.
Yeah. Those bolts would get more out of the clouds, and that would really be worth getting. Stuck behind a cloud. Well, I bet you got that one.
I think I did.
That one came out of the cloud.
Ow.
That's an awesome clearing. Awesome sunset.
Here's the west now.
Yeah. And the south is just going nuts now.
Look, there's some more rain back in there, but
The east slows down and then the south just takes off. That's pretty cool.
well, the east is still kind of going, but
Yeah, it's slowed down though. Especially compared to the south. Are you thinking what I'm thinking
what?
for the south?
You want to go to the south? Possibly to Dublin again?
That's what I was thinking. 'Cause there's some really good bolts that I think we will start to see here soon once some clouds move.
We'll get out of these clouds when we go that way.
That's even still, even within the clouds, it looks awesome. Whoa.
Second time I'd be standing out in the rain again. Oh, it's actually bright enough to be picked up on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Whoa. Nelly.
Of it.
That went all the way. July 19th, 2012.
Yep.
Feels a little bit cooler out.
A little bit. Almost like I'm gonna need it. No, it feels great out. Some rain that way. A little bit. And there's a little bit more rain coming that way. But right now I'm looking this way.
Yeah. No, I think we might have some pretty decent tropo after this.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'll stay up as late as I can. Even if I have a 20-hour day tomorrow.
Well, that was pretty cool over that way.
That's cool. Go ahead and stop that.